Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I don't normally start my videos looking like this, but for today's video, I am going to be demoing non-complexion products. Well, there's a few complexion products in there, but because I didn't have to do my base on camera, I decided to go ahead and do it off camera before I came, and I have a lot of powder in the middle of my face so that my face doesn't get too oily. But at the end of the video, everything is going to be okay, so just keep on watching, okay? If you are a returning subscriber, hey! So for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys the PUR X Barbie collection, okay? This video is sponsored by PUR Cosmetics. Thank you so much, PUR, for sponsoring this video. So PUR sent over the entire box. I'm gonna go get it. I don't want to have it. It's a big box. Okay, so PUR sent over the entire collection for the Barbie, the PUR X Barbie collection. So if you want to see what comes in the PUR X Barbie collection and what look I can create with this, then keep on watching. So the PUR collection comes with a lot of products. I am going to start out with my eyes because my base is already done. There is a blush in here that I'm going to use after I do my eyes, okay? The collection comes with a brush set that comes in this cute brush holder that you open like that. The brush holder can stand on its own and hold your brushes, so that's really nice. And these are the brushes that come in it. I am taking one of these brushes, and this is the blending brush that comes in the brush set. I really love the detailing on here. It has like a little bow over here. It's very, very cute. I really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes. My eyelids are already prepped, but for today I actually set my base because I'm trying to go for a more natural neutral look. Okay, so that's why I am taking this very cute brush. I really like this brush. The detail on here is very pretty. The bow has little stones in it. It's like a diamond encrusted bow on a brush. It's very cute. It's cute all around. Okay, so the PUR X Barbie palette is, for me, is very earthy, very light fall palette. It's very neutral, natural palette. There are deep shades in here. There is one very, very light shade in here, but everything else in the middle I feel like any skin tone can use, especially for someone who likes more subtle, soft glam, neutral glam, everyday type look. I think this palette would be amazing for you. I don't know which shade to go in with. Ooh, I didn't think I'd have this problem. Let's go in with, because my base is actually it actually matches my skin tone today, I'd have to go in with a slightly deeper shade, and I'm taking this shade over here. I'm gonna put that in my crease, okay? This brush is like a perfect size for, you know, a blown out crease shade. I'm going to take this shade a little higher. I'm gonna put this all over my eyelids. Okay, I like this palette for the simple fact that on days that I want to do a neutral, natural look, if I reach for this palette, I know that I'm gonna get a neutral, natural look. So I'm taking the deepest shade in the palette, which is that tiny shade in the corner, and I'm only using it to deepen the outer parts of my eye because I don't want my eye to be dramatic all the way inside. I'm just leaving it on the outer parts and only blending halfway in, as if I'm gonna do like a cut crease type look. I'm also lifting the corners of the deepest shade that I'm putting in so that it would give my eye like a lifted look instead of bringing it down. So as you can see, my eyes look like they're lifting. You always want your eyes to look like they're smiling, you know? Okay, so this is the look. Like, in all honesty, this in itself is a look. If you want a matte look, this would be it. Like, I think I am gonna go for a matte look. I will put some of the shimmer shade in my inner corner, but the shimmer shades are so pretty. This is the shade that's like calling my name right now. It's like a pinkish, purplish, copper shade. And then there is this one, which is more copper. I hope you can see it. They're multi-dimensional. They're like a hollow shade, so they shift as you go. But this is it. There is this beautiful bluish green shade in here that I might use as well. I don't know. Do I want to use that shade? Okay, we're doing this. We are doing this. I'm taking the shimmer shade in the palette, and I'm not even going to put any I'm not going to put any adhesive down because I want it to be a little bit softer than it would if I put adhesive down. And I'm going to put that in the inner part of this look. It blends out very beautifully, so you don't need a lot of it to blend. I'm taking the shader brush, the Barbie shader brush, to blend this out a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going back into the deepest shade in the palette, and I'm going to blend that into the shimmer shade we laid down because we want to make sure that there are no harsh lines from both the matte shade and the shimmer shade. I feel like this is like a shimmering smoky eye look. So of course you can wear it with some shimmer or you can wear it matte. I am loving this shimmer shade. It is pretty, it is gorgeous. Okay, so because my face is already done, I can literally move into my lower eyelids. I'm taking some of that deepest shade in the palette and just running that across my lower eyelid. You know what? Leave it to me to find a way to make a natural looking palette more dramatic than it should be. Just leave it to me. I got you. We can make this palette more dramatic than it should actually be. Like, that's not a problem at all. Like, I absolutely love the PUR Fully Charged Mascara. It is bomb, okay? But with this collection, they give us a new mascara. They give us a new mascara and a primer. So I'm going to use that on one eye. We can see what it looks like and we can see it compared to the other eye. Okay, so this is the primer. This is the Fully Charged Primer. And oh, it's the same. Oh, it's the same. So it's a fully charged mascara as well, redesigned in the packaging. But now we get a primer too. So I'm priming my lashes with the primer. You need to be priming your lashes before you apply mascara, okay? It helps you retain more of that mascara and it shows up very well. Okay, we're just gonna give it a second to dry down because you don't want to apply it while it's still wet. If you do that, it's literally gonna take the primer product off your lashes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the fully charged mascara on my upper lashes while my lower lashes dry down. Okay, so this is what my lashes look like with the mascara on, the mascara and the primer, and this is what it looks like without the mascara and the primer. It looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush. I'm using the blush palette that comes in the collection. This is called Malibu Blush. This is what that looks like, okay? And from what I'm looking at, it looks like I'll be able to try out the last shade in the palette. I want to see what it looks like on. Ooh. I feel like this is a peachy. This is a peachy blush. I have never tried a blush this shade. Isn't it interesting? I've never tried a blush this shade. Wow. Let me find out. I have never used a blush color that's like this, like ever. I know this is a partnership with PUR, but I was literally about to say that I can't use this blush because it doesn't look like it was going to be intense enough. But I really love the way this looks. I've never tried a blush this shade. PUR, I don't know what you guys are cooking up, but this is kind of cute. It looks really good. I am gonna first set my face with the PUR Haze Mist. You guys know that I have been loving this setting spray. I am going to go ahead and apply highlighter. This is the Barbie X Pure Confident Glow highlighter. It looks like this. It's very pretty. 2 dimensions or 2 sides to this. I'm gonna take a little bit of it. Ooh. It is pretty, but it's also very loose. It's like so easy to get it on your brush. It is very, very, you have to be careful with this. If you're someone like me who doesn't like too much highlighter, you have to be careful. I feel like it would be so easy for this to take over your look if you are not careful. I may have put too much on the bridge of my nose. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Yeah, I definitely feel like with the highlighter and my glowy skin, I really don't need this glowy setting spray. But if you're someone who likes a glow to the max, then the setting spray would be perfect for you. I definitely think a highlighter to the brow bone gives you a more sophisticated look. You just gotta blend it out. Don't be like me right now and not blend it out. Blend it, blend it, blend it. Okay, y'all, so this is what we got going. So there are 3 lipsticks that comes in the collection. I picked one that I think I want to use for you guys today. I thought it was going to be red, but it's really not. And I don't think there's any that's like that matches the shade of my eyes. This is the lipsticks that come in the collection. It is a very pretty, very textured container, and it says PUR X Barbie on it. And to open it, you push the top and it comes out, and you just pull it out like that. Very, very cute, right? So this is the lipstick that I'm going to be using today. This is the shade Innovator. This is definitely a matte shade. Okay, you guys, so this is what this lip shade or this lip option looks like on. I really like it. It's not bad. I feel like it definitely helps contrast my eyes a lot. The eyes look a bit more sultry, a bit more holiday makeup, a bit more holiday party makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some gloss on it. This is the shade Boss Gloss. It's a very cute gloss, and you open it like this. There's a little button over there. Once you push it, it releases the gloss for you. I really like that idea. And I'm gonna apply some of that, because for a second I was here twisting it, like I was trying to twist open, right? But that's not how this works. There was a time where I would stay away from glosses, but God, look at me, I'm still here doing this. Oh my Lord. Okay, you guys, so this is my finished look. Would I recommend you pick up anything from the Barbie collection? Yes, I would. Would I recommend you pick up anything that I used today from the Barbie collection? Yes, I would. I absolutely love the palette because the palette gives me control over subtle, soft looks. If you're new to my channel, I love bold, colorful looks. Like, it's my thing. I love it. But lately, and I promise that I've been trying to do more beginner friendly, more subtle, more beautiful, more soft makeup looks. Not because I don't like bold looks anymore, but because I'm just trying to add more to the looks that I put out on my channel. And I have to say that I'm loving this look. It's very beautiful. It is very soft, but also at the same time gives you like a bold or a bolder, more colorful, and I feel like this is very holiday friendly, and I feel like it's something that you could definitely achieve at home. I definitely feel like all the products worked on me, and the palette definitely gives me more control over if I want to achieve a neutral glam look or a soft glam look, and I'm really, really excited about that. The blush palette has taken me by surprise because I really didn't think that a more peachy toned blush would look half as good on me as this one does, and I am impressed by that. I can't stop looking at myself. The lipsticks, the lip glosses are beautiful. The lip gloss is staying in place. It's not watery, it's not running, and it's staying right here. Okay, spray, definitely if you're someone who likes to glow up, use the setting spray, because I did use it on my chest and it's giving me like a nice, beautiful sheer sheen. Let me know down below in the comments if you've picked up anything from this collection and how you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. If you have any questions, leave them down below for me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.